Hey guys, in this video we're going to look at the first tab in the Web 2.0 submitter. The tab is the Set Submission Sites tab. This is the first screen you'll see when you load up the Web 2.0 submitter. This looks confusing, but it's really pretty simple once you get the hang of it. I just want to go over real quick what we mean by submission sets. All that really means is the sites that you want to submit to when doing your Web 2.0 submissions. We just call them sets. That's just what it's called within the bot. But a submission set is just the sites that you're basically setting to use on your next submission run to the Web 2.0s. You'll see this drop down right here. This drop down will list all your profiles and categories that you've made. So here's how it works. You got your drop down that'll show you your profiles and categories, and then you have this drop down right here. It's called Loaded Submission Set. Now what this drop down is it shows you all the sites that are currently loaded for this current submission that you're about to do. And then you have the choice to either submit to the entire set or submit to a specified number. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's load up this profile. So we load this profile, and as you can see, it loads up into this drop-down menu right here. So now all these sites are in this loaded submission set, which means they're all good to go and ready to be submitted to. Now, you could either submit to the entire set or submit to a specified number. So if we wanted to submit to just 8 of these sites right here, we just put the number 8 there, and that's all you need to do. So it would randomly choose 8 of these sites to submit to. Now, like I said, you could submit to the entire set. If you have this list, this set, it's going to submit to all of these sites when you do your submission run. Now what makes this cool is that you can customize this. So let's clear this right now. So let's say we wanted to create a custom submission set. So once you check that, you'll see this drop down now becomes active. So we'll load a profile, and it loads it in here. Now what this drop down is a way to select what you want to put into your main submission set. So let's say we want to add this Posterous site to submit to, this Wayland site, and as you can see now they're both ready to be submitted to. And let's open another profile. This is a totally different profile. So we want this Thoughts account. There you go. So you can see you can make your own custom submission sets. So let's clear this. The reason why you might want to do this is, let's say, okay, let's go to profile right here. I want to submit to all Posterous accounts. So I add that Posterous account. Now I can go to the next profile. Did we have a Posterous in here? No Posterous in there, so go to the next profile. And there's a Posterous, and then you add that in. So you could just run down and make a custom submission set that only submits to Posterous, or whatever you want to do. So it makes it really easy. Another cool feature is if you, let's clear that out. So let's uncheck this. So when this is unchecked, it's going to load entire profiles or categories into the submission set. So you can do something like this. We'll load this entire profile. Okay, so this entire profile is now ready to be submitted to. But maybe I just wanted to add one more site. Then you check this box. Now this becomes live. And if you switch between profiles now, it's not going to affect this drop down. It's just going to load them in here, so you could pick and choose which sites you'd like. So I'd like to add this Insane Journal. And now you see that's been added to the submission set. So in a nutshell, this bottom drop down is the sites that you are going to submit to. And these drop downs are just ways to set that all up. So this is how this will control your profiles and categories and let you flip and sift through those. And this little drop down lets you individually add or add sites to more customize your submission set. As you get used to it, it becomes pretty easy. It looks a little complicated now, but it really gives you full control over your site Web 2.0 submissions. And if you want to keep it easy, just leave this unchecked, and just let's say you want to submit to that profile, and you're done. Just move on. You don't need to do anything else. So yeah, you could keep it simple, or you could get pretty hands-on with it.